everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing really well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of career and personal finance related videos here on my channel, so if that's something of interest to you, then please do subscribe to my channel down below and be sure to follow me over on my Instagram page as well, Success by Sanjna. Now, as you can tell by the title of today's video, I've got a very exciting article to share with you guys. I know we're coming towards the end of the year. A lot of people are going to be planning their lives for the next year after Christmas and, during the New Year break that we do get. So I have an article that I actually want to share with you guys, which talks about some of the most in-demand jobs that are out there and available on Airtasker and Fiverr. So if you're interested in finding out, then please keep watching. Now, for those of you who aren't actually aware what Fiverr and Upwork or Airtasker actually are, they are essentially freelance platforms where people are always looking for help, looking for assistance with either their projects, at-home tasks, and it's a platform where you are able to post an ad to get someone to help you out with a particular task or chore. So this obviously connects people who require the assistance and people who actually have the required skill. So if you've got a skill out there and you're looking to make extra money, I would definitely recommend making a profile on one of these platforms and getting yourself started, because let me tell you, there is a lot of money to be made. And this article talks about some people even making up to $10,000 per month as a side hustle income. So let's find out. So I've got an article here which is from Fiverr and Airtasker, revealing the most in-demand skills that are worth turning into a side hustle. So if you've got skills around video editing, voiceover work, or even mowing lawns and hanging Christmas lights, you may be surprised by how many in-demand skills you actually have. Online freelance marketplace Fiverr's Vice President of International Expansion, Peggy DeLange, says digital transformation that emerged during the pandemic has changed businesses forever, with many adopting new services and technologies to help them succeed. As businesses continue to invest in their success, there is an immense opportunity for professionals who are skilled in these trending service areas to offer their work and enhance earnings. So this is just a little bit about how the platforms actually work. Now, in Fiverr's 2021 Small Business Needs Index, it revealed its fastest growing service categories in Australia. Now I'm going to go through that list and let's see what they were. So without a surprise, obviously, number one was YouTube monetization. So 120% increase in projects year on year, paying $50 to about $300 a project. Now we all know the boom that has come with social media. Everyone essentially started a YouTube channel during the pandemic, and it was a great way for people to earn some money. But now that these people are earning money, like myself, I run obviously my 2 YouTube channels. I'm always looking at ways that I can actually increase my revenue on my business and my social media platforms as well. And this is obviously where a lot of people are outsourcing to places like Fiverr and Upwork to get that assistance. Moving down, we've got Google Analytics, which is up 94%, paying $30 to about $900. Now we all know Google Analytics is so important for small businesses, any business for that matter, and a lot of people are investing their time, money in finding the right people to get this outsourced and achieve this for their business. So if you've got skills in Google Analytics, definitely recommend creating a profile for yourself. Search engine optimization for Shopify, which is up about 93%, and that pays up to $8,000. So if you've got any skills in SEO, not sure what you're waiting for, but get started. We've also got YouTube with virtual avatars. So this is VTubing. This is also up by 88%. We all know the metaverse and the announcement that Facebook made. So this is definitely also increasing as well. We've got the usual website content, social media content, voiceovers. Social media management is a really big one as well, which has lately been emerging. A lot of influencers, social media content creators are needing this management, needing this assistance, because a lot of them still do have 9-to-5 jobs, but for those that don't, are running this full time, they need that management to assist them. We've got video editing. You all know that I have now obviously got a video editor myself as well, and I found my video editor from Fiverr. So all these videos that you have recently been seeing have been edited edited by my video editor because I honestly do not have the time to edit them myself. We've got Instagram influencer marketing, again another big industry which has emerged, and that has also increased up 16%, paying up to $3,000 as well. Now, we're leading up to the summer here in Australia and the festive season. It's the busiest time of the year for such platforms, and this allows users to just outsource everyday tasks. The number of tasks posted between October and December typically jumps about 20%, with more than $32 million worth of tasks posted in the lead up to holidays last year. So we've got, nurses looking for personalized Christmas scrubs, females seeking a portrait of their mum's favorite pet, a business owner in need of gift wrapping lessons, and some of these tasks even earned people over $10,000 a month last year. So as parts of Australia start to open up, we're seeing an increase in demand across categories. So current Airtasker listings include, landscaping, gardening, mowing the lawn, fence construction, mobile pet services, carpentry, pool cleaning and maintenance as well. And a lot of these jobs are very, very well paid as well. So during this time of year, we end up seeing a lot of Christmas related tasks that flood the platform. So for example, last year, 1,900 posters were seeking help to hang their Christmas lights, and these were also tasks posted for Christmas party wait staff and for people to assemble children's gifts such as trampolines and cubby houses. So a person named Alex Mayer was working in event lighting when COVID-19 restrictions were introduced in March, and within that week, every theatre show and concert in Australia was cancelled. So things have not improved much in that time, says Alex, with each outbreak, lockdown or venue capacity limit setting us back to square one, he said. And he saw his business decline in turnover by 98% that year. Now, it's obviously massive, but what Alex has done is turn to Airtasker, setting up his Christmas lights, something that he also plans to do again this year. So here are a few top tips for first-time taskers. Now, you obviously need to create your profile, include your skill set, experience, and the work that you're actually passionate about, and upload images of previous work to showcase expertise. And I always think this is very important because whenever I go onto these platforms and I need help with anything, I always look at the work that they have actually completed before, and that gives me a good indication if that's going to match my vibe and my theme. If not, then unfortunately I'm not going to go with that person. Also make sure you upload a photo. Taskers with a recognizable photo of their face are about 10% more likely to get a task, so that's always a good handy tip there. Be sure to highlight your qualifications. So if you're a qualified plumber or electrician, make sure you put that there. If you've got, a certificate of working with children, that's also very important as well. Provide proof of your qualifications or ID for verifications. And you can also include your vaccine status with Airtasker's vaccination badge as well. So guys, that is essentially the end of that. I really hope you guys found some sort of inspiration in this video. And if you're feeling stumped that you don't know what service you could offer, just jump onto Airtasker, see what's available, see what's happening, and that could possibly spark your inspiration and possibly give you some ideas. So guys, I'm just going to leave this video here. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thanks guys.